What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2018 Dodge Journey. Like I said, it's an 18 Journey in the video, but it will be the same on several different years. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. And there's these two tabs, one on each side, that you can see my pointer finger on right here. What we need to do is push those in like that, and that's going to allow the glove box to drop down. Now we'll take a closer look in here. So this item right here that says airflow on it, this is the access door to the cabin filter. And there's two clips, one on each side, that you need to push in like that, and then allow it to pull off. Come over here and do the same thing. And if you have both your hands free, it's easiest to do these both at the same time. Once we get that off, we can see our actual filter right here. And this one is super dirty, but I actually don't have the replacement here right now, so I'm gonna have to come back to it. But when you do put your new one in, make sure you're paying attention to these airflow arrows. You want your airflow going down towards the floor of the vehicle. And then once you have your new filter installed, you reverse everything we just did to close it up. We'll snap that door back on, make sure that's clipped all the way on, and then we'll just pick this glove box up till those tabs clear. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.